Several real old HTML tags, like center tag and font tag, are genuinely deprecated, replaced by real CSS. In this video you'll see the real, correct modern replacements. Center tag is genuinely deprecated. Real modern HTML uses CSS text align center instead of this actual old presentational tag. This real CSS approach genuinely separates actual presentation from structure, the modern, correct real standard. Font tag is genuinely deprecated too. Real color and size are actual CSS concerns now, not real HTML tag responsibilities. Center tag and font tag are genuinely deprecated HTML tags. Real CSS now handles all actual visual styling concerns. Modern HTML genuinely should stay focused on structure and meaning, not appearance. Find and replace a real deprecated tag in an old project with proper CSS. Ready to quote and cite real sources properly?